All right, today we're at MarineMax with the brand new Grand Mariner. This one features a 400 V10, which is a new release from Mercury. Your rear lounger will have multiple seating locations. You can sit forward or backwards with the pool style seats in the back. Tower, all lighting in here. Raised helm, of course, with the dual Simrad. In-floor storage. And a side table mount. Also here on the observer side, you've got the wireless phone charger, additional speaker, and some cup holders. Nice Bluetooth stereo. And good coverage from the Bimini top. This actually goes forward about a foot. Plenty of room on this 250 Grand Mariner. Check this and many other Harris pontoons out at Lake Norman MarineMax. Thank you.